Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve question number 412 Fizz Buzz of LeetCode. So first I will explain the question, then the approach, and then I will tell, and then I will write the code in C++ and then the time complexity of this question. So let's read the question. Given an integer n, return a string array, one indexed where answer of I equal to Fizz Buzz if I is divisible by 3 and 5. Answer of I equal to Fizz if I is divisible by 3. Answer of I equal to Buzz if I is divisible by 5. And I as a string if none of the condition are true. So what we will do is, first we will make a result array in which we will store the string, and then we will run a for loop which will go from 1 to n as the array is 1 indexed. So we will start from 1 and it will go till n, which will be the given number. First we will check if the number is divisible by 15, because for Fizz Buzz it should be divisible by both 3 and 5. So basically it means it should be divisible by 15. Then divisible by 3 we will check, then divisible by 5, and if none of that applicable, then we will simply convert the I, which will be an integer, to string and then push it into the result array. So let's start the code. So first a loop from first to given number if I is more than 15. Make sure that the B is capital and F is capital and everything else is small. For 5 it is Buzz. Now for 3. It will be Fizz. And if none of the above condition are valid, then what we will do is we will first push back, then we will use toString method to convert the given integer to string and then push it into the result array, and then we will return the answer. As you can see, all our 3 test cases have been passed. Let's add one more test case to check if the condition is right or not. Let's add 100. As you can see, the 100 test case also got passed. Now let's submit our code. So we got 3 millisecond runtime, but there is a chance we can get 0 millisecond runtime as well, as I got with the same code. So the time complexity of this question is O of n, as we are running one for loop, and the space complexity is O of 1, as we are only having one storage variable. So if you like my solution, give a like, and for more such LeetCode explanation, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.